So today, instead of being on a cruise or at a theme park somewhere, we're at the Kentucky Wool Festival in Pendleton County, Kentucky.
which is in Falmouth, Kentucky. And it is a beautiful 3 days for this event that's going on. And when you first come in, you turn to the right, and there is the tent that has all the wool stuff that they have sheared these sheep, and then they're making different products out of the wool that they do.
And also, you'll be seeing demonstration of spinning wool into yarn to be prepared to the knitting and crocheting and stuff like that you do with wool and yarn.
Sheep's been sheared. But anyway, they do have examples here. They'll show you how the wool is spun. They have the spinning wheels, and it's really interesting watching this. It's amazing how somebody even thought this up to do this to a sheep.
It is. But the ladies doing the spinning, you can stop and chat with them. They're more than happy to explain to you the process and walk you through it. But it is really amazing how you can take a piece of wool and spin it into the yarn. Just amazing to watch it. And they really take pride in their work they do. So it's really enjoyable. And here's the stars of the show.
So I don't have to
The
be
sheep.
in the sun.
And they also have different animals in the tent right beside it.
And now you're going out into the vendor sections where there's a lot of arts and crafts displays, metal work. And this first booth here with the metal artwork and signs, this is really cool because if you don't see something you like, talk with them. They can custom design anything you want and get it delivered to you at a later date. So it gives you a lot of flexibility on finding something that you really like and would be appreciated. Also, it'd be great for Christmas gifts for friends and families.
And we've had it done ourselves. We had stuff made, and they do good quality work. You also have all different kinds of handcrafted. We have glass with sass, and is that what that is?
That's the name of this little shop.
And everything here at the Kentucky Wool Festival has to be handcrafted. No commercial products.
Reselling of products. And mostly local vendors within the northern Kentucky region. So it's been really a beautiful day. The temperatures are a little bit warm, but the leaves are starting to change, and just really
It's a pretty
nice day to be
atmosphere,
out.
isn't it?
Really a great weekend for the festival. So a lot of different shops. The one on the right here, you can buy a bag of dirt and pan for gems out of it. A lot of the little kids was enjoying that.
Yeah, I know.
And you have candle making, sand art. They even have a caricature booth where they'll draw your picture, and it's really cool. We had that done before too, a couple of times. So you also have the jewelry, all kinds of jewelry that reminds you a little bit of the Pandora charms and stuff.
Yeah, you can create your own jewelry at this little booth. Really a nice variety of stuff available.
And here, what do we have?
Kids where they could actually milk a goat.
Milk a goat, and then you just walk right across the path from there, and you can pet a goat.
And if anybody is watching this video and you've ever milked a goat, make a comment below. I'd like to hear about it.
You have all kinds of music. You have bluegrass, country, religious music. They have like 3 different areas where they do this. All kinds of food booths that are set up. We got ham kebabs, we got coffee, you got lemonade, just whatever you can think of.
I'm not sure about this booth. It's named Shark Water.
Have you ever had shark water?
I've never had shark water. We've swam with sharks
Yes,
before.
we have.
Never drank it. But, local honey. And then here's one of our favorite booths. It's the chainsaw carving. It's really fun to watch this guy turn a log into a really cool piece of art.
He's working on a bear there. But yeah, that's fascinating to watch. I wish I could do something like that. And then we go on down, and I have never seen shelled corn put in a pile except in a silo, but they've got this where kids can jump in it.
Yep, it's a shelled corn pit for the little kids to play in. And what else for a wool festival? Having a tractor and trailer going down the walkway. All this area, here's another music venue, but all the way around this whole area is a paved road. So if you have mobility issues, you can navigate pretty easy.
And here we have a couple of guys. This guy is grilling chicken breast, and this is the Pendleton County Chamber of Commerce. And on the other side, we have hamburgers and hot dogs. And it's an awfully hot day, but they're doing a really good job.
Yeah, the smell was absolutely delicious.
And here we have the Lennoxburg Country Store. They have a booth. As far as you can see down the path here is all kinds of food venues.
And they do a really good job. They've got all the major food that you'd have for a meal is in one section, so you don't have to walk all over the place to find your food.
You got fried Oreos. They've even got frog legs, nachos, and tacos.
Barbecue, Chinese food, pizza, pretzels, grilled chicken.
They got homemade French fries.
And funnel cakes. What more can you ask for but funnel cakes? And then here they have a good selection of mums and pumpkins for your fall decor.
Across from the food booths, then we also have the craft tents for like as far as you can see.
And these are albums that get water jetted with an image that depicts the band. It's really unique. And then there's more jewelry.
And all kinds of stuff you can look at and pick up and buy, and just amazing, all the handcrafted stuff that they've got here. And it's amazing the quantity of it. There are all kinds of booths set up here.
And if you're looking for unique gift ideas for friends and family during Christmas and holidays, this would be a great place to come. We always enjoy the Kentucky Wool Festival. A great time to come out, enjoy the laid back and relaxing atmosphere, and just enjoy seeing stuff that you don't see all over the place.
Right, and you can go Christmas shopping here if you want to pick out some really unique gifts.
But come enjoy the relaxing time, the crafts and arts and good food. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe, like button, leave comments below, because we love hearing from you guys. And thank you.